Hi friends, I am Professor Suryaditya Saha from Kolkata. My phone number 8017309883. My email ID sanshaha82@gmail.com. Today I am going to predict some upper circuit going to stocks. Upper circuit going to stocks that will be a amazing speculative stock, fundamentally well and will be multi-bagger. There will be a big chance of multiple return from these stocks in 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year. You can get 1000%, you can get 1500% gain from these stocks. The stocks is speculative nature. The stocks is upper circuit in next few months. I believe this will be a big boom for the stocks that are fundamentally well. If you not make any portfolio, please make your portfolio with these 20 stocks. These stocks, if you carry on up to next 4 to 4.5 years, these stocks will give you 9 to 10 times return. I mention this for not for my purpose, the purpose of the people, the purpose of the common people. You can carry on multi-portfolio management system. The one I give you as a free trial up to 4 to 4.5 years. The first one is ADF Foods. Current market price 258. Just watch next 4.5 years. It will give you 10 times around. All the stocks I give you will give you 10 times in next 4 to 4.5 years. This is a fundamentally well, and their EPS growth, their book value growth, their CAGR growth, their face value, their all P ratio, the standalone profit, all is very good. Second is Ahluwalia Contracts India Limited, current market price 335. Third, Asian Granito India, current market price 459. 4, Atul Auto, current market price 411. 5, Quartz Cable Industries, current market price 121. 6, GM Breweries, current market price 440. 7, GNFC, current market price 286. 8, Granules India Limited, current market price 140. 9th, Indian Metal and Ferro Alloys, short name IMFA, current market price 493. 10, JBM Auto, current market price 279. 11th, Premier Explosives Limited, current market price 508. 12, Veto, 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 current market price 186 rupees. 13th, Apollo Tire, current market price 255. I remind all of you that these stocks will return minimum 1000% in the next 4 to 4.5 years. This is only research, different sector oriented. This portfolio is the best portfolio I given to the YouTube. 14, Simco, CIMMCO, Simco at the current price 87 rupees. 15, Greendoel Norton, current market price 424. 16, India Bull Ventures, current market price 172. 17, Jindal Worldwide, current market price 634. 18th, Shanti Gear, current market price 151. 19, Thyrocare Technologies Limited, current market price 765. 20. The last one is Vinati Organics Limited, current market price 962. These all 20 stocks take as your portfolio of 20 stocks and carry on up to 4 to 4 years, 4 to 4.5 years. That will give you 1000% as a portfolio basis, and stock basis it can reach 1500% each stock. I means to say 10 to 15 times can be these stocks. I bet all of all the financial analysts, these all stocks will outperform than other stocks, and these stocks are well researched, and be notice these stocks as I given these stocks the star marks, the 5-star marks I given these stocks, and everyone should carry this portfolio in their multi-portfolio management system of 20 stocks. And I believe market will go higher and higher, like February 10,675 and 2019 June to 2019 December 12,900 Nifty, and 2021 end or 2022 Jan 15,200 Nifty. That is only GAN astrotechnical view oriented research, and I say it as a personal disclaimer, and I say this is a mathematical calculation what I say, and that never be break 9200 in the history of the stock market. Those who are short in the market, please get out of your short position, otherwise you will be trapped, because there is a big bull trend coming. The coming for the speculation in the bull market is coming in the stocks of 20 and also many stocks. Mid cap will outperform like a boom, as well as Nifty tomorrow and up to 6 July, and then up to 10 to 21st July it will reach 10,332. Next, if anyone be worried about market profit booking like 7 to 8%, they can be a fool, because this is the process of market going to higher and higher. So buy on every dips. If market fall 10,300 testing after, and 9,600 to 9,700 is the limit of the fall in the August 27 up to, and you have to pick your best stocks and make your portfolio again for the target of 10,675 in February, and then again Nifty go higher with the expectation of a big boom for the GDP growth in the India, and also RBI motivation in the banking system, and also Donald Trump new concept. Donald Trump will create the global boom with their view on the IT sector, and I believe August will be a big reversal when 27 onwards, and IT stocks will boom like a blast, because I believe America as well as India will move like a rocket, and everyone should believe this, because I say the future forecaster. So happy trade tomorrow, Tuesday, and buy this portfolio as your limit. Happy Tuesday.